Hi there, time for a very quick tour of my room number 103 at the Sense Hotel in Bulgaria, in Sofia, in fact, the capital of Bulgaria. There is your very straightforward walk-in wardrobe. Here is the bathroom. A number of these rooms have balconies. The property is a member of Design Hotels. It's one of the more fashionable properties in the city as well. It's in a very beautiful location right in the center of the city by a lot of grand governmental buildings. I'm quite impressed by our surroundings. It's my first time in the city. It's very beautiful. I didn't realize, well, it's very characterful, I'd say, and very beautiful in parts. Lots of interesting architecture. So I've just shown you a bit the bedroom. That is my workstation over there. This raised seating area, quite imposing, isn't it? And then you have these frames that you can tilt to close, which I'm trying to do, but I'm a bit weak, it seems. There you go. That gives you an idea. So together they shut out light. And here is the view. Like I said, it's a very elegant part of town. University over there, governmental buildings around as well. And lots to see and do in the area. I'm impressed. So that's it. Quick tour of the Sense Hotel in Sofia, Bulgaria, part of the Design Hotels portfolio.